Hello everyone, today we will dive into creating slice files and implementing CRUD operation in our Raaghu React frontend solution. We will begin by breaking down our UI components into smaller and manageable slices and creating CRUD pages for efficient entity management. We have a command to create the slice file. So copy that command and paste it on the CMD. Enter service name. Slice added successfully. Let's see the updated folder structure. So into the MFE, leads, state management, patients folder is created and into that slice.ts file is added. Let's see the CRUD page commands. These are the commands to create the CRUD page and these are all are with the relationships. So create CRUD page command will identify the relationships by its own and will create the CRUD page according. Enter backend project path, the path which has SLN file. Enter entity name. CRUD is created successfully. So into the components, SRC, this type of component structure is created, and into the MFE, RDS pages, this type of page structure is created. So to check the output, we need to change the env file. We need to add the localhost URL over there. And after that, add the command on the terminal. This is the basic command. After that, you can add the page name which you want to run. Login. So patient's menu is created. I can add the new patient. Date of birth, contact information, and medical history. Record is added successfully. Now I want to edit this record. I don't want middle name. So record is updated. I can delete this record also. In our session today, we have covered how to create slice file for modularization of our UI components and implementing CRUD pages for efficient entity management. Thanks for watching.